Hey guys, welcome back. Stu is back. This is the fourth generation from 2019 to 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. And I'm here to talk about the check engine light. This guy right here. Why it's on when you have 59,000 miles. Oh, not brand new, but is there. I will say second hand stage. So, I checked the computer, and this is what I got. Engine position system performance bank 2. Engine position system performance bank 2. And the same thing, P000B. What this means. So like I said before, you have 59,000 miles, right? Your next oil change is at 60,000 miles. You have 59, you have like 700 miles left, right? First of all, don't get crazy because you get the check engine light on. It's not that crazy. Well, what are the possible causes of this POOB code? Low engine oil level, dirty engine oil, incorrect engine oil viscosity, which would be like the wrong, when you got service, the technician or the mechanic use the wrong oil, wrong timing chain, the camshaft position solenoid, or oil control valve failure. The camshaft solenoid control circuit is open, shorted, or has a high resistance condition. Fail variable valve timing actuator, faulty timing chain tensioner or guide, and the worst of all, PCM issues. But I'm gonna start for the easiest one. Okay, let's check the oil level. Come on with you. Bah. Okay, what that means, I think we got it, boys. You see what I'm seeing, right? You know what this means? There's no oil in the engine. So I'm gonna do the oil change real quick. Change the oil filter, see if there's a leak at the bottom, and reset the oil life. Road test it and see if the code come back. Now we're here at the bottom where everything is beautiful and it's wet. So yeah, I sing sometimes, Cole. You see it, right? So wet. So somehow oil is leaking from. I'm gonna remove this so I can see where it's coming from. Now, seems that the leak is coming from the oil drain plug. Huh. And I don't know if you noticed, but this car Mavis serviced this car. You see it, right? Okay, guys. Alright, guys. I don't know about you, but you see that, right? You see it, right? It's from here all the way to here. And the oil panel is cracked. Yeah, that's right. I don't know how you tied this oil drain plug, or whatever you use too much force and crack the oil panel. You see it, right? It's coming out from there. So we're gonna have to replace it. We're gonna have to replace the oil pan, or send the car back to Mavis and let them know what a wonderful job they did, and face it and fix this problem. But we'll see. I'll let you know. So yeah, guys, pretty much you're gonna have to replace the oil pan, okay? Because unless you just wanna, nah, it's not feasible. Yep, not feasible. You could seal it though, but it's up to you. I will replace it. If I don't have money, I will try to patch it. But if I have money, I will replace it. It's not that difficult. A few bolts, mats. Okay. The compressor is on the way. The AC compressor is on the way. Okay. You see it, right there. Okay. So from 1 out of 10, this job of difficulty, whatever, I will say is like 2, 3. Okay. 1 being the easiest, and 10 the most difficult. So I will give it a 2. 2, yeah. For me, I mean, you just gotta like remove some bolts up there, down here. That's pretty much it, right? So if you have that code, trouble code P000B, make sure you have oil first. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Support the channel. If you like this video, give it a like. So guys, I'm gonna make the video how to replace the oil pan in this Hyundai. Look it up in my channel. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy, and you know where to catch me. Stu Boom. I'm out. Yeah.